Thank you for joining my channels. Kindly share and subscribe my channels, like videos. Thank you. Today we discuss cyber ethics. It is a very important chapter for internet users. Is cyber ethics. What is cyber ethics? What do you mean by it as cyber ethics? What is ethics? The term cyber ethics refers to a set of moral rules or code of behavior applied to the online environment. Cyber ethics is the study of ethics pertaining to computers, covering users' behaviors and what computers are programmed to do, and how this affected individual and society. The government has taken a positive roles in making resources for parents and children to learn about cyber ethics. This is a growing problem, and without parents and teachers using the resources available, nothing can be done to prepare future generation for internet users from being safe online. Some rules of cyber ethics. First rule, responsible behavior on the internet. Cyber ethics concern to the code of responsible behavior on the internet. Just we are taught to act responsibly in everyday life. The responsible behavior on the internet in many way align with all the right behavior in life, but the result can be significantly different. Next, copywriting and downloading. Copywriting and downloading is a major issue because children do not know copyright policies. They only try to search what they need from the web and download it for their purpose. Their thinking is like, if everybody is doing it, therefore it's okay. But an understandable and an age appropriate lesson on cyber ethics could help children to learn the risk involved in internet downloading. Next, crime and punishment. It has become easy to track the origin of a wrong activity over the internet to an individual user. There is not much as a children may trust. The United States Department of Justice has recent list of federal computer crime case. Teens, this is a best way to show children to costly conceptions of their internet actions. Next, internet hacking. Hacking done by stealing classified information, stealing password to get into a site, and also recasting a website without permission. Since the world is run on computers, it is important that hackers are stopped. They could create virus that could shut down important websites or computer system. So we have to make our children's and youth by telling its importance. Next, cyber bullying. Cyber bullying is increasing and people are becoming aware of its effect on children. Cyberbullying is bullying that take place carrying electronic technology. Electronic technology carried by devices and equipment such as cell phones, computers, and tablets, as well as communication tools including social media sites, text message, website, and chat. Needs of cyber ethics. First, ethical behavior. There are many kind of ethically or morally responsible behavior in the space opened up by internet, from action involving people's financial status through high speech or writing, reading, gender, race, culture, and host of other moral deviations. And next, cybercrime is a very important chapter. We prepare next slide, next video on cybercrime. Hacking into people bank account, stealing their money, defrauding peoples in way is becoming trend now. This increasing trend of cybercrime demand need a proper set of codes and rules. Threat to privacy. Oh, The internet private data through governments and e-commerce is an area which require a new round of ethical debates involving a person privacy. Privacy from an ethical and moral point of view should be central to dignity and individuality and personhood. Privacy is also responsible to a sense of autonomy, to a feeling that there is an area of an individual life that is totally under his or her control. Next, fraud. Fraud and interpersonal are some of the malicious activities that occurs due to the direct or indirect abuse of private information. Identity theft is rising rapidly. Public record search engine and database are the main contributing to this rise of cybercrime. Ethical business practice protect the privacy of their customer by securing information which may contribute to the loss of information. Next, intellectual property right. The ever increasing speed of internet and emergence of comparisons technology opened the door to peer-to-peer file sharing, a technology that allowed user to transfer file to each other previously seen and program. Much of these, however, we copyrighted music and legal transfer to other users whenever whether it is ethical to transfer copyrighted media is another question. Restrictions are required because companies would not invest weeks and months in development if there were no incentive for revenue generated from the sale and licensing fees. Next, DRM. What is DRM? DRM means digital right management. Blind making of audio books of PDF, allowing people to burn music they have limitedly brought to CD or to transfer it to a new computer as on are seen as of the right of its intellectual property holders, opening the door to uncompensated use of copyrighted media. Another ethical issue concerning DRM involves the way these systems could undermine the fair use provisions for the copyright law. Next, freedom of information. Freedom of information, that is the freedom of speech as well as the freedom of seek, obtain and impart information, bring up to question of who or what has the jurisdiction and in cyberspace. The rights of freedom of information is commonly subject to limitations depend upon the country, society and culture concerned. Generally, there are three standpoints on the issue that is related to the internet. First is argument. That is, the internet is form of media put out and accessed by citizens of governments and therefore should be regulated by each individual government. Second, that is that governments of the individual world have no over the internet. Internet supersede all broader borders such as the border of countries country authority should be given to an international body, since what is legal in one country may be against the law in another. Conclusion: cyber ethics is and will continue to be a major topic in the future, particularly in education, so contribute to the discussion and help to make the internet a place that we can all enjoy safely and responsibly. Cyber world is not in reality of life, but we have to follow the ethics. For example, do not take other people's work and make it like your own works. Thank you. Kindly share and subscribe my channels. Thank you.